So hey guys, so today I will be showing you what to do when this problem occurs. Also, this problem only occurs when multiple people tries to submit the or upload the work at the same time. So this problem cannot be fixed permanently, but there is another way to upload the file which I will be showing you how. So first you have to go back to the main screen where you see all the groups there are, teams group. Then you have to go to the files and upload it somewhere in the file where people cannot see, like this place. I'm just going to upload the file that I have to submit or upload in the assignment. So as you can see, it is uploaded. So I will just go back where I have to upload the file. Now while uploading, I have to add work and click on this teams. Here teams, you have to go to the place where you have uploaded in the files. So as you can see here, I have uploaded right there. Now click on the attach button and it should upload your file like normal. Just wait for some seconds. And as you can see, it is uploaded, and now you can do just turn in and it is done. You can easily upload it by this way.